Start by preheating your oven to 250 degrees centigrade. Dump in the flour into the bowl. In goes the baking soda and baking powder, salt, pepper. Spice it up with some herbs. Make a dough using some yogurt. In goes a wee bit of oil. Knead this for about a minute. Our dough is ready. Now let's divide this dough into two and roll it. Sprinkle some flour. In a dusted platform, roll this. Similarly, I'm going to roll the other one. Here I have a tawa in which I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of flour and one of the rolled dough. I'm out of cream cheese right now, so I'm going to use some cheese spread today. After the cream cheese comes the second layer. Press it down really well. Now I'm going to cut some strips of this processed cheese. Take the processed cheese and line them over the edge. Now gather both the layers and bring them forward. Now seal the corners. Take a fork and press down. Pick some holes. Now this goes into our oven, which is being preheated from the past 10 minutes. Let's chop up some veggies. Our veggies are also chopped and our pizza is also baked for about 4 minutes. Now let's get it out. Our pizza is out from the oven. Now let's start assembling it, but before that let's brush it with some oil. In goes my instant pizza sauce and the mozzarella. Now in goes our veggies. Finally the olives. Few more drops of oil. It's been 20 minutes now. Now let's put this back into the oven for 5 minutes and our pizza will be ready. Our pizza is just out from the oven. Now let's serve it. Sprinkle over your favorite herbs and enjoy.